Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana SM TV GH so wo frɛ me Adwoa searching na ebusuafo ansa na no se wo abrochiri ana se wo Ghana ha na wo ye program bi ete se engagement wedding ana se funeral na ope obi a obeba betwa video no ede ama ana se oba betwa pictures na me kire quality videos ana se quality pictures a emfo wani enchirem ewo baby ase cam hacks number no na eda screen ne so no na djuma ho etwa yi papa Ghana ha baby a wo bia o frena obeba abetwa wo program no ede ama ana se empo wo amano ne na wo hweyen na wo beye program na wo atoto ania uhu obia obetwa wo program no ede ama wa contact number na eda screen ne so no obetwa wadwuma no yopo e de amount say quality videos na quality pictures party emfa wani enchirem e wo baabia anase empo ope bibi te say camera light anase drone e de etwa programmer eno so o contact na obeba ababe ya ma fe
Nana Ama Ejakon of Onua TV Oni pe bie ni ho a ode ni nsa benku mekire na ebusuefie obia ni ho ode ni nsa benku ebekire na ebusuefie wosi na mahama pese oja legacy iti na boafo ni mboa no nja legacy na Addo die wenje oni legacy bia ni legacy ni kro no he Nana Ama Nyanko of Onua TV. Ooh, pesa u se Nana Addo a me so me sewo because you know bia. Wa bodam. Nana Addo ye no bi se ni so osom buma yensa wo mama som buma wa. Mi Nana Addo osom buma me. Mi obi obeka Nana Addo bia waka me. O ya kosia. Nana Addo anya shekura. Wama free SHS. Wama education. Wa bodam Nana Addo legacy. Ni legacy ye free SHS. Wama ye suku wako. Emma ye nimdie. So wa bodam wa yebeka chiro. Wu mahama no you wa yade papa. Miso mi Nana Addo no. Wama me free SHS. Wa bodam. Adana muta Nana Addo sa. Nana Addo boni be Nana Addo ayemu. Onua TV fo. Na monka sem papa ba ko pempo mfa Nana Addo hu ta aden Nti Nana Addo betna so 8 years Nana Addo wanya de papa ba ko po a obetumi agina so akasa Nana Addo aya de ba ko po se Nana Addo die on de krono no be boy nti Nana Addo die oni legacy bia wa bodam wo Nana Ama Nyanko of Onua TV wa bodam Nana Addo wa ma ye shekra wa ma ye adesua obi bia na okọ SS obreye obi chi wo wiase ni nansa na wanya chobos asa na wanya garimpo akọ school ye no binim ye nya osa because ni awofo no mu nibi ye nya osa because ni awofo no mu nibi o me ma ye sikampo di akọ ato ye humpo ato gari because you kosia muka fo Nana Addo kakra Nana Addo enipa wanya de kra oba SS oba school akọ Mahama jo ondo legacy Nana Addo ni legacy wa bodam Nana Ama Nyanko of Onua TV wa bodam me say me Nana Addo oye me hero obia for the sabenkum nche Nana fie next time o kasa menka assembly for Nana Addo ho Nana Addo so ye nipa Nana Addo so ye nipa Nana Addo so ye nipa ma enye mahama kwa na ye nipa Nana Addo so ye nipa aba aden sem huna akwa me say me Nana Addo oye me hero obia for the sabenkum nche Nana fie next time o kasa menka assembly for Nana Addo ho Nana Addo so ye nipa Nana Addo so ye nipa Nana Addo so ye nipa ma enye mahama kwa na ye nipa Nana Addo so ye nipa aba aden sem huna akwa Nkwasiafuo someone na do hu bio mesa be yija bio mu ye kwasia.
Because he said that is not the president's orientation. Onua Kanye, or you're committed to completing Agenda 111. Onua Kanye, or you're committed to ensuring say free SHS ebe jine ye, and ne why expand the crowd senior high for private schools na ba beka ho and that reminds me mampani private schools na do ma beka senior high no ho no we dey mean free one term. Nkofo bebre wo questions kakra because as a nhyehyeye no enye free sir for private schools no, because near headmasters of private schools and proprietors of some of these private schools can say government does not take up the entire cost, even though I buy ama students nibi as I buy any private schools no a cost sharing. But the concept is free SHS. To say, Mampeni yede private schools na beka free SHS no a adabra ka esre. They must have the full complement of free SHS because they are Ghanaians. And sese koba se ye ma private schools no sikane fa na ne aka no parents enkotua, because the feedback we are getting from some of these headmasters and our owners of these schools no. And no, a bind does not take up the entire cost of free education for private schools now. Modio mabeka free SHS no. Mr. President, please, mohena mo addresses no. Because we're campaign promise. Mo na mo ka se mo be manage na mumu no kra mo the private schools na beka ho. Sa beka ho a, they must enjoy the full benefit of free SHS. Policy expansion aye. Yemfa no entwere ho na yento ankomo no so. Timampani yebesre say niema na ebi yi ni ti at the district level, the local level, yen nti amato bebo fa asem we ni say local governance is the heartbeat of development. Local governance, it is the heartbeat of development. Impunto bia ni we be shase free suraba form, e shase free form na kosoro. Enti say this is ni MPC NTA na this is bi aba office omo mindset ni say projects o meto ye omo nto aso mbe ye omo de problem ade ba ko nso epie ye before the committee and say this is an answer districts ni bi the fake documents and e be defend e wo mo ho fake document. Na baby amidi ya okakra ene committee no. Committee na ajitu mu se ebi mu the fake documents ne bae. Ebebu akonta. Yet committee na small kan say it shouldn't happen again. Hey, no be a falsified document. Ye ka akontabu o, ye de oman sika bremu se mo fanya adwuma wo district. Na ehun akontabuo ehun receipts ebi ye fake a ne ebeka ne se mo hwe na de we nsi next year biem. Somebody ought to be punished for presenting a falsified document or a fake document. Na me tena se me hwe sa audit sittings of the local government committee no, something is equally coming up, and that has to do with the quality of personnel ayewo manning yen districts. Across the local governance no, ye jitum but yembu enti ye de zuku fo bebre akogu ho. Koso timitie district director of finance
98.9.
Utimitie coordinating director bi na no kasa. Ene enchirechiremu a wode ma. Sometimes the reasoning you busa a question. Adwene ne kura na wode ka asem no wo busa se na we class 1 you kura be ka asem we. Sometimes you wonder the caliber of people are you do ma local level say omunkɔhema development enyina, and you see Se local level na yenya the right human resource, yenya leaders papa nkosa local level wa. Na yeye no suru ha nyina na nkosi aga. Ebimpo ntimi express wo mo ho. Ebimpo, and some of the DCs can't even express themselves. Enya brofo asem o. Enya brofo asem. Unza asem no se wonnim ne wo ka eno nko ena wonnim ne wo ka na emom no wonni brofo ade be ka eno so nko. But some of them, they come very empty. From DCs, MCs, enyo mu nyina ebimo to district coordinators, any directors of finance. I don't get it. Ebimpo ntimi nkyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm. Is it because there is a problem with accountability? Anase ampampa kyerɛ no ntimi nkyerɛ mu nsɛm. Uzo ubu akonta na nsisi so a ho kyerɛw. Eno no kasa kora na ya na star eno ho. Ena ne asɛm na ɛda hɔ no emu da hɔ paa obet anka asɛm no wo kyerɛ mu anka betima kyerɛ, but wontimi mpo nkyerɛ na asɛm mu. Sa nipa no ɔyɛ den na ɔyɛ adwuma bebre abegu omu ho animu ase before the committee last week. Bebre abegu omu ho animu ase. This is bisu begu omu ho animu ase poto. You see, eya eka bibi se na brofo nye kasa ntimi yemfa brofo njaje amanfo. But documents are a good DC animu no sebe yentwro wanguna kasa mu. Documents are a good MC animu no sebe yentwro wotwi kasa mu yatwro no brofo mu. Enti nipa no ode brofo na ekoye adwuma na se brofo no wonte a sebe mu documents a ode koye adwuma no obeti ase na obetimi ate ase interpreti ama watimi agina so take decisions ebebo omanfo ana mejitum sabrofo nye kasa. But Ghana, your official language is English. Ghana ha, our official language is English. Because tribe ubia wa nekasa, ubia also you're proud of nekasa. Ana yenje one local dialect into muse enoni official language. Ye pen kabo muntu obi anka ne kasa, nemom ye se ye ko office ni ye ko school a. Kasa ye de be ye biribia ye brofo. Ya je atum asoman. Ti se obeye DC na sa official language no, wo ye deficient wo mu a. Enkrata wo de be ye adwuma nyina so wo English kasa mu. Se brofo no wonte a, sebe ya chrobetu wanimu a obetimi akan ate ase na wetimi edi akwadwendwene mu atake decision a ebebo omanfo ana. A challenge for me. A challenge for me. And clearly before the committee, some of the people who have been appointed as DCs and MCs struggle to communicate in this official language of Ghana. Onipa sa no
FM 98.9.
obetimi attractive investors abkone district ana. Obetimi akwabon amanone akopitch ne district se me district ye wo abundance of share nut. Mo wa banone a ebi a mo ye nku, mo ye cosmetics ne ade no. It can be an important raw material source e de amamo. This year won't me expressing one tenebro for no sabiamu so what she investor be for US at their court the district so uncle set it up a share manufacturing and as a share butter manufacturing planter. Wobey saying na obe convince woman saying I am not placing unnecessary premium on English. But committee na nim no mo kwotena no o man ka frafra o mo ka brofo financial statements, any balance sheets, any documents are a good DC yanim. Ya chono brofum. Ensusu edananim wohunu hwe, ontimi nkasa, ontimi express no ho, ontimi nkyerɛnse mu. Coordinating director besomu a no wase asɛm no kra. Ti last week me monitor ade na nam se da bi. a lot of Ghanaians didn't monitor the local government committee's audit hearings. Bebre a public accounts committee there, but the one on local governance, we betie na me observation kakrenie. I'll call on His Excellency the President. I'll call on the local government minister, Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim. You're a hard-working, fantastic man. Minimni obetimi aye. Se jumedia konewie ebesre. This is now omu be exhibiting some level of weakness no. Ebesre. Se capacity building program bi na abeya ma munya crash course ma omo.
Happy FM 98.9.
Ebinumu nim how the public sector even works. This is betena ho. They are clueless about the role of the coordinating director. Say, minimu de send MPs, ye orientation ma womo, na ye di omo ko entity mu kakra ma omo timi appreciate parliamentary rudiments, no. Some of these MMDCs, Mampeni would need their capacity to be raised. And Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim, I know, sir, you are focused and you are going to deal with this. Some of the MDCs need capacity building. Some need an upgrade. Share a DCBS no the district one no in a month. You bet me a kind of number of times because I feel no school. I feel no school. Before the committee, no person can say Bangalo in ready. Entina only district but later before the committee, there they say because our school entia, and that is affecting development. And that you hear DC office, DC in your or lectures. So, Your Excellency. Yo trust anonim se na chiachia ye no mu binumu na ye be twema adwen asisa na mai bi muso aban we 4 years pe the first year mu no wo one, it is too early. Say some DCEs exhibit clear conflict between women and MPs. Too early for a 10-month-old government. Na 10 months in na DC ni MP and your primary time so their development in about bokra o hwe my monitoring of near course before the committee I reinforcing me position say we need to elect MMDCEs but not along partisan lines. There were professors, there were engineers, there were tried and tested leaders within our communities. Sankanya MPP ni NDC, ombetimi di omho si ho aye DCs ni MCs. But at the